Hey there, if you need a quick personal loan but don't know where to turn, this is the video for you. Whether it is an emergency expense, a medical bill, or just some extra cash to cover your day-to-day, the LenMe app is a game changer. But the real question is it legit and is it worth your time? In this video, I will break down everything that you need to know about the LenMe app, how it works, and the pros and cons. We will see if the LenMe app is as convenient as everyone says it is. The LenMe app is an online peer-to-peer lending platform that allows individuals to borrow and lend money directly to one another. It is an innovative solution that cuts out all the traditional banks and all the big financial institutions and puts the savings over to you. Whether you are looking for a $100 loan or a $25,000 loan, LenMe aims to connect borrowers with lenders who are willing to fund those requests. So how does it work? The app uses AI algorithms to match borrowers with potential lenders based on the loan terms, credit history, and repayment ability. I will also have a link for the LenMe app in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So once you download the app, you are simply going to create your profile, you are going to request a loan, and the system will automatically connect you with people willing to lend you money. All the transactions are secured with a bank-level encryption system. And now let's cover the benefits of using the LenMe app. Benefit number one, easy application process. One of the standout features of the LenMe app is its simplicity. The loan application process is incredibly user-friendly. No long forms or complex paperwork to fill out. All you need to do is create an account, fill in a few details about your financial situation, and start requesting loans. Benefit number two, flexibility with loan terms. Unlike traditional banks that often rig the terms against you, LenMe allows borrowers and lenders to set their own rates. This means if you need a short-term loan or a long-term loan, you can pick out which one works for you, which rates will fit your need. So here are some loan examples in the app that people have taken out recently. As you can see, every single person has taken out a different amount and they all have different rates. And that brings me to benefit number three, and it is their competitive rates. On LenMe, interest rates tend to be lower than those offered by your credit card or a payday loan place. So this is also a great option if you are looking to get some money to pay off that high interest credit card or to pay off that high personal loan from a payday lender. The reason they are able to offer loans is because you are directly borrowing from other people, individuals that put money on the platform to allow other people to borrow. That way they earn some interest. This lowers the overall cost to the borrower. It is like a win-win situation. The person that needs money borrows money from another person that is letting them borrow, and at the same time, the person that lends the money, they earn interest on top of the money. So it is a win-win all around. Benefit number four, access to capital for all credit scores. If you have a bad credit score, you already know how difficult it is to get a loan from a traditional bank. But with the LenMe app, you still might have a chance to borrow some money, simply because the app relies on peer-to-peer lending and borrowing. On the LenMe app, lenders are more flexible in approving your loan even if your credit is not so good. Also, the LenMe app has a ton of positive reviews. Borrowers appreciate the speed at which they can access funds when they need them the most. A lot of the borrowers love the transparent pricing and the quick approval process. One of the reviews stated, "I needed a small loan to pay off a medical expense. I applied on LenMe and was approved in less than 24 hours. The interest rate was fair. The whole process was hassle-free." And now let's quickly cover the pros and cons of the LenMe app. Pro number one, quick approval process. Apply for a loan in minutes and receive your funds quickly. Pro number two, flexible loan terms. You and the lender can agree on terms that work for both parties. Pro number three, lower interest rates. Typically, you can find lower rates than traditional lenders, especially if you have a good credit score. Pro number four, bad credit options. Even if your credit isn't perfect, you may still able to find a loan. And finally, pro number five, transparent. clear and upfront fees so you know exactly what to expect. But no app is perfect. Let's talk about the cons. Con number 2, risk of high interest for bad credit. If you have a low credit score, expect to pay more in interest. Con number 2, limited to only peer-to-peer lending. There are no major banks involved, so you will not be getting loans from banks. It is all loans from individual people that are lending money. So is LenMe worth using? Well, if you need a personal loan and you do not want to go the traditional way of going to a bank, filling out a bunch of paperwork, waiting for an approval, going through a bunch of hoops, then LenMe might be the right choice for you. The ease of use, the flexibility, the low interest rates makes it a very attractive platform for a lot of borrowers. What LenMe does the best is they make the entire process super simple. So if you have never borrowed money, if you have never taken out a loan, the LenMe app makes it super easy. You can literally be sitting on your couch on your mobile phone and you can request money and it will most likely be in your bank account that day or the following day, which is very convenient to a lot of people. So that is it for this quick review. If you want to try out the LenMe app, the link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.